Hey, what's up you guys? Oh my god, it's been a while. So, hi guys, it's me Luigi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for this video, we will be having a reaction video for the Yoonseok, Wonbin, Sion. Sino ba yun? Yoonseok, Wonbin. This is the Soda Pop performance. And finally, nagkaroon ng Soda Pop. Let's go. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be updated on my every upload. Upload is Rise concert, so let's go. Next month. Oh my god, please wait for the NCT Wish or Wish concert vlog. So yun, ang hirap mag fan cam habang nag-shoot ng 4 vlog sa landscape. So, first time to watch it, guys. It's yan. Wonbin, Jisung, Yoonseok, Jaemin, Rise, NCT Wish, NCT Dream. Jisung. Oh my god, it's Wonbin for the first lyrics of the... By the way guys, I am a multi-stan, so if you're asking why you have a lot of... Guys, I'm a multi-star. I'm so obsessed with Sean. It's for real. Yoonseok. I miss Yoonseok and Wonbin. I saw them last January 17 because of Rising Loud. Oh my god, I miss them so much. Yoonseok, oh my god, and Wonbin. Also, Anton is so handsome. And you know, my bias is Shotaro, but in concert, I film more videos Songchan. Excited to see NCT Wish next month. When is it? For this Jisung. You know Jisung and Sean. It looks like the flat and have a big muscle, and also Jaemin, baby face with a big body. Like, di ko alam kung sino ano natin, itatambil natin. Guess what guys, sino ang gusto nyo itambil natin? Guys, if you want to more videos like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell to be updated on my every upload. Wow, this is part of for this. Oh my god, gusto ko yung ganito yung pupunta sila sa ano. They go to the extended stage, then they will perform like... By the way, this is our first video this February edition. Don't our videos. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button to be updated on my every upload. So bye-bye guys. So I will be upload this tonight, yes. I will be re-edit now and yes, rush edit, rush upload. Yes.